Oh, hello, and welcome to this week's episode of A Colourful Life with me, Helen Alice Johnson. I'm just practicing for this week's tips, techniques and tutorials, which also doubles up with the bargain of the week this week, because I have got on offer a free online workshop of practicing and developing brush strokes and techniques. If you're interested in taking up this free online workshop, whether you're an experienced painter or a total beginner, it will be useful, I promise. All I'm asking is a 15-minute chat with me to just answer some questions around your thoughts and feelings around online learning, or I've set up a survey on my newsletter so that you don't have to actually talk to me if it's difficult for you. If you like what you see in this video and you're interested in learning more tips and techniques, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. My featured artwork of the week this week is Lamley Viaduct, which, as you can see there, is an original painting. It's in oil and pastel and single-use plastic on canvas, and is currently on show at the North Gallery West in Brampton, as part of an exhibition that I've got going there. This painting is now finished. It was very nearly finished last week, but now completely finished. I've added a little bit of gold leaf onto the fell tops, and I've added some of the plastic soldered on onto a couple of places. It's now going to go back to the UK, where it will be framed and then ready to be on show for the Corbridge exhibition, Our Beautiful World, which is in June from the 6th to the 15th and is at St Andrew's Church in Corbridge. I've also been working on this painting this week. Based on springtime, inspired by our garden here in France, and it's definitely not yet finished. I'll be working on it all this week, so check out next week for updates. Don't forget, if you are thinking about or are already a collector of artwork, then one tip that I'll give you for this week is to make sure that you do your research. The wealth of information that there is out there these days. Everybody should have social media, website, information to gather on an artist. Do your research, check them out, subscribe to their mailing list, and also don't be afraid to ask for a bargain. If you like what you saw in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, preferably my mailing list as well on my website. Definitely please give me a thumbs up, it all matters, and have a great week wherever you are.